Hello dear companions, in this clip I will share information about the latest Solana Airdrop and explain how to obtain tokens in only a few simple actions. Remember to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. I always try to discover promising initiatives for you as fast as possible. As you know, the universe of crypto airdrops is fascinating and abundant, and you certainly shouldn't ignore such occasions. So, I will briefly explain what this distribution is and show the procedure of receiving tokens with my personal example. I will provide the official platform for participation in the description below the video. Solana Airdrop is a technique applied by projects built on the Solana blockchain to allocate free tokens to users, usually as a promotional strategy or to compensate early participants. These giveaways can contribute to expanding the user base within the Solana network. Let's proceed to claiming tokens. The first requirement is to have Solana coins in your account balance to satisfy the activity requirements. In my case, I hold $4,324 worth of Solana coins in my wallet. After that, visit the official website, which you can find in the description under the video. Next, you need to connect a wallet that is more active and has already interacted with the Solana ecosystem. During the linking process, a pop-up will appear requesting confirmation of the site connection, which you must approve, and then wait until the tokens are deposited into your wallet. After a couple of minutes, 10 Solana coins were transferred to my account. I highly advise not to skip this chance and take part in this airdrop, as it is an excellent method to top up your crypto wallet. If you encounter any issues, leave a comment under the video. I will be happy to assist. Best of luck to everyone.